In this video, I'll be showing you how to deposit money on Pocket Option using a Visa card. First, open the Pocket Option mobile app. You'll be taken directly to the charts page. Next, tap on the profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. This will open a new menu. From here, tap on Finance. On the Finance page, select Deposit, which is the first option at the top. Now, choose your country or region. For example, select the United States if you're in the US, or choose your own country if you're elsewhere. After selecting your region, scroll down and choose Visa card from the list of available payment methods. Next, enter the amount you want to deposit, such as $100 or $500. Once done, scroll down and tap Continue or Pay. On the next screen, enter your Visa card details, including the card number, expiry date, CVV, and the name on the card. Tap Pay to complete the transaction. After the payment is successfully processed, the funds will be added to your Pocket Option account. And that's it. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.